So, so last class we had discussed so few Linux commands, right? So mostly, right? So what is difference between how to create hard link files and so how to create soft link files and what is difference between hard link and soft link file? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir,
And
visible.
also last class we seen, right? So how to compare two files? So how to compare two files? And today we'll see continuation lab. So lab dot play dot with this is for only for practice purpose. Most of the commands it will work. Few commands it won't work. We'll see in one. Now, so if you want to create if you want to create new instance, that's it. And Alt enter full screen. Control plus plus increase the font size and all. Increase the font size and all. So increase the font size and all. Now, if you go to here, last class we see some comparison. So how to compare two files, how to compare two files, and how to create a soft link, hard link, and all. So same way, today we'll see continuation. Now, if you want to create any ls command means it will display all files and all. ln space original file and hard link file. So if you want to create any soft link file, ln space hyphen s, that is the symbolic link or soft link file. Both are same only. Hyphen s we need to add it. That's it. Now same way, come to here continuation. Now word count. WC nothing but a word count. How many words? How many lines? Next, how many characters? I want to check it. So for example, I am going to create one file and cat space rather than, for example, here c a dot so txt file. Now I am giving some words and all. Jenkins. Okay. Just this is my file. How to save? Control D. Now check this words are added or not. Cat space a dot txt. Cat space a dot txt. So cat space so a dot maven Jenkins. So maven Jenkins, maven Jenkins, maven Jenkins, and so maven Jenkins Linux AWS Terraform. This is my file. So if you want to create, if you want to create or if you want to find, already file is created. I want to find word count. So these are the some basic commands only. Just write. So WC nothing but a word count. WC is nothing but word count, and so we can give file name. See here number of lines, number of words, number of characters. WC space a dot txt, a dot txt. Now see here how many lines. This is one line. This is one line. This is one line. So this is the each and everything one line only. And so how many lines and how many words and so how many characters? 54 characters. Let me modify. Sorry. Cat space greater than cat space cat space cat space greater than. I'm going to add a few more lines appending, right? Append. So for example here so here I'm using what is this, sorry, file name, right? A dot txt, and just I'm giving something control D, and so cat space a dot txt. I added extra content. Now see here. Now check it. WC space a dot txt. WC space a dot txt. WC word count space a dot txt. So that's it. Now see here how many lines, how many words, and how many characters. If you want to, we can count it also. If you want to, we can count it. Lines means this is the one line, this is the one line, this is one line. Total how many lines? 6 lines. Words and all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words. Now count every one word. Character is 53 characters. So this is a very simple. If you want to print only only number of lines, hyphen L. If you want to print only number of words, W. If you want to print only characters, hyphen C. So like this we can pass many things. Like this we can pass many arguments. Now see here, hyphen L means number of lines. I don't want all. I want to print only number of lines. What I need to force? Hyphen L. Hyphen L means sorry, not cat. WC hyphen L. WC hyphen L a dot txt. Only lines. Only how many lines? If you want to print only lines, hyphen L. If you want to print only words, I don't want how many lines only I want to print. So WC hyphen W a dot txt. So only words. If you want to print only characters, now see here WC. So these are same only arguments only we are passing. WC hyphen C a dot txt. A dot txt. See here, this is the characters. This is the characters. And so if you want to print character or LC, both the lines and characters, if you want to print words and characters, so whatever you want we can pass it. These are the arguments, or we can pass here WC hyphen hyphen help. So we can see all this. See here, print only count, only characters, whatever you want, only lines. So whatever you want we can pass W words only. So these are the arguments we can pass it. We can easily find it. Anyone any doubt here? Hello, clear Vaday? So this is the WC nothing but WC is nothing but word count. We can print lines, only lines. We can print only characters. We can print only words, line words, whatever we want. We can pass that arguments. The main command is so what is this? WC word count. So WC is nothing but word count and file name. If we give file name, by default it is coming how many lines, how many words, how many characters. Now got it. So these are the lines, these are the words, these are the characters. No, 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 I don't want like this. So that case we need to pass argument. WC, I want only lines, hyphen L, a dot txt. So anyone, any doubt here? Clear, Karthik? Am I audible or not?
Not.
Oh,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay. Now come to here. This is the starting. Starting means, right? Uh, Start means ascending order and descending order. Suppose if you want to print ascending order or descending order, whatever you want, we can use this is the start command. Now same I am using. See here, cat space a dot txt. Now here we are printing Maven Jenkins and all. I want to print order. SORT start a dot txt. A dot txt. Sorry, thought right. SORT a dot txt. Now see here, printed or not? Ascending order, ascending order. So if you want to print ascending order, we can use sort command. If you want to sorting content of the file, if you want to print ascending order based on line, so it will print. Suppose if you want to sort based on reverse alphabetic order, that is we need to pass hyphen R. That is hyphen R. SORT sort hyphen R means reverse order, alphabetic order, reverse order. A dot txt. A dot txt. Now see here. So it is printing so reverse order. It is printing so reverse order, descending order. That's it. Just we are practicing only, nothing is there, only simple. Suppose if you want to print a numeric, suppose if you want to print a numeric hyphen n, so that case numeric, if you have any numeric numbers, we can use here. I don't have any numerics. See here, start space hyphen n, start space hyphen n, and a dot txt. See here, here I don't have any numeric. If you have any write numbers and all, so that case we can use hyphen n. Hyphen n is nothing but numeric order. So remaining same story only, remaining same story only. This is the file size. If you want to print starting tabular data by using hyphen k, first you need to know, right, what is head, what is ls, we'll see later. I will show you. Add and all you don't know. Now this is very important command. Find unique content of the file. Interview also most of the people asking this question. So this is very important. Remaining short, this is write a short OW count and all. This is only just for your understanding purpose. This is very important. Suppose I have one file. I have one file and I want to find some content. I want to find some content. How to find that content? This is see find unique content in the file by using the unique command. I want to find unique command. So by using unique, we can find it. So how to find? See here. Now I'm giving so same command. Now before that I am going to add one more thing. Cat space a dot txt. Now I'm going to add few more lines. Cat greater than a dot txt. So here I'm adding again maven. Again I'm adding maven. Again I'm adding AWS. Control D, save and exit. Now observe here cat space a dot txt. Now see here, but if you observe here, maven is duplicate, right? Two times repeated. Yes or no? AWS also duplicate two times. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? Already maven is there. Here also maven is there. Here also AWS is there. Here also AWS is there. Clear? Uday? Now see here.
Yes, sir.
So now I am using unique a.txt. UNIQ. See, this is a command a.txt. Now if I give means now unique. Now I am going to print a start also. So now it is printing same only, right? So same only it is printing. Now I am giving so file name start. I want to print. I don't want duplicate. Start same command. Start file name a.txt. This is the pipe symbol. This is if you want to add more than one command. If you want to run more than one command, this is the symbol. Actually, this is the pipe symbol space. Now I am using so unique. Now if you use see here, so this is the unique means directly it won't print any uniqueness. Just it is printing same like cat only. I want to filter. I don't want duplicate. I don't want duplicate. I don't want duplicate. I want to print ascending order, but I want to eliminate duplicate value, duplicate names, duplicate strings. Now see here sort space file name pipe symbol. This is the pipe symbol. If you want to run more than one command, if you want to run more than one command, this is the symbol pipe and unique. Now see here. So here AWS two times is there, but here we're printing only one AWS. Jenkins also Maven. See here this is also duplicate. Maven also duplicate, but here print only one Maven. So it is the we are printing a starting ascending order and also uniqueness. I don't want any duplicate. So I don't want any duplicate only. So uniqueness. So that case we are using this is the command pipe symbol and unique. Pipe symbol and unique. Pipe symbol and unique. Now if you want to print, so display number of occurrence of each line. So let me print how many lines it is occurring. Now see here same file I am using. Now clear the screen. Cat space cat space greater than a dot txt. I am appending. Okay. So just I am giving again I am giving so just I given some content. So now appended. Next control D save and exit. cat space a dot txt. Now see here, I added few more lines. Now I want to see uniqueness and also I want to count uniqueness and also I want to count. Hyphen c is nothing but count. Each line, how many lines it is repeated. Now see here, uh, now same command, short space a dot txt, pipe symbol, and now what I need to unique hyphen c. Now see here, maven also two, aws also two times. Number of occurrences. This is only lines repeated, same lines. How many lines it is repeated? Remaining all are one only. Even see here a duplicate also is there. It won't count it based on lines only. So only so lines it is it won't compare this lines. It will compare only that particular AWS two times repeated, Maven also two times repeated, and remaining only one only. Suppose if I add again one more line, see here cat space greater than a dot txt. Now I am adding Jenkins. Okay. Now I am using Docker. Okay. Kubernetes. Okay. Now I am using Docker. See here I added Control D. Now see here I want to count cat space a dot txt. Now what is the command? Short short space a dot txt. Someone join. Short space a dot txt, pipe symbol unique and hyphen c. I want to count it. I want what is this? Short a dot txt, pipe symbol
Unix, sir.
u. Okay. Now see here Docker three times. This is the three times counted. Jenkins two times is there. AWS two times. Maven also two times. So that case we can use hyphen c. What is that? Hyphen c count. Hyphen c is nothing but number of occurrence of the each line. So that one. Now I. So ignore. I don't want any ignore case. Hyphen means ignore. Display only unique lines. I want to print only unique lines. I don't want duplicate lines. I want to print unique line. Now see here unique line. So at short space a dot txt pipe. I don't want unique hyphen. What is the arguments? Hyphen u uniqueness. I don't want any duplicate lines. U unique. Sorry, typo right. Unique line. Now see here. Is there any duplicates? Is there any duplicates? Lines. Clear? Anyone? Any doubts here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now same way remaining and all. So print input and output of the redirection commands. This is already cat and all. What is input? What is output and all. So this is the standard input and standard output device. If you want to see input keyboard come the cat command, right? So I want to display. If you want to see the any content, so if you want to see the any content, we are using cat. Now I am using add some content to file. So how to add it? Now see here input from the command line arguments and error message standard. We'll see already So this is the single greater than. These are the main redirecting standard output device. Standard output device means greater than and greater than. So here two ways. If you want to create file and I am adding some content, observe here. Already cat space greater than b dot txt. So this is txt file. Control D. Now, if I use same command again, what is happening, guys? Cat space greater than b dot txt. Already you know. Now, updated b dot txt. Anyone? What is this? Cat space greater than, I am using, there is two. See here, will perform overwriting of existing data. If you use a double greater than, appending of existing data. Now it is overwriting or appending?
Overwriting, sir.
Overriding. That's it. Nothing. Now see here, cat space b dot txt. It is overwriting. Existing data it is erasing, it is overwriting, and it is adding new data. Suppose if we want to append b cat space, if we want to append, we need to use double time, right? See here, greater than greater than. That is appending. That's it. This is the appending, greater than, and b dot txt. Now updated. Just I am giving a control D. Now see here, is it overwriting or it is appending? In this case, greater than,
Appending, sir.
appending. So that is very simple. Already you know. This is nothing. That's it. We can use whatever you want. We can add it. Appending and redirection standard. Now redirection standard output terminal. These are the default files only. Now these are the command line inputs. These are the questions and all. For our case, we can try it. Questions and answers. This is the piping. Now just now I used pipe symbol, right? So short space a dot txt. This is a piping. So this is only one command, right? If I use short space a dot txt, this is the, it will display, it will print alphabetic order. Now uniq hyphen c. This is a, this is another command. Actually, I want to count based on this input. Here I am getting some output. This is a command. This is a command, and here I am getting some output. So this output I want to pass input to this command. That case we are using also pipe symbol. Now see here, what is piping? Sometimes if you want, if you use output of one command as input to another command. Now observe here, don't confuse here. Very simple only. This is the ls. Ls means it will display all files and directories. This output I want to pass input to another command. So that case we go for pipe symbol. Now here I am using so what is this command? See, start space. Here I am using b dot txt. Here I am getting some output. Here I am getting some output. This output I want to pass input to another command. So how we are passing start space? Here we passed a dot txt. We are getting some output. So this is the output. This output we want to pass input to another command. Now see here, that case we need to use pipe symbol. See here, chart space a dot txt pipe. Now
Sir, spell me.
now you dot hyphen c. Now this output I am passing input to this command. I am passing input to this command. See here, sorry, typo error, right? Not soft, SORT is short, right? Now see here. Now that case we go for piping. See, piping means you know, right? See, one command, output of one command as input to another command. This is a one line. You need to remember only one line. Output of one command as input to another command. You have to pass this output input to another command. So that case we go for piping. We can implemented piping by using the vertical bar. What is the symbol? This is the vertical bar. This is the vertical bar. or simply we are calling pipe symbol. Now, so they are using some commands. See, ls-l and etc. etc is the one directory, right? Configuration directory. They are getting wc command. Wc means
Word
word
count.
count. Wc means word count. Same way we can use now. So cat space b.txt b.txt. So this is the data. This data I want to pass input to another command. Now see here, cat space b.txt pipe symbol. I am using a wc. Wc is nothing but word count, right? Clear? So
Yes, sir.
this is the first. Simply what is this command? How we can pass this command? Wc space b.txt we can use directly. Okay. See, this is output. So here I am getting something, cat space b.txt. Here I am getting some output. So this output I am passed to input to another command. How we are passing? Pipe symbol space wc. Now see here, same way, cat space a.txt. This is the output. This output I am pass input to this command. Now see here, pipe symbol, clear the screen, w cat space b.txt a.txt, right? A.txt pipe symbol. I am using another command, wc word count. So whatever output we are getting, this output we are pass input to this command. So now see here, how many words, how many lines, how many characters. So this is the command output. Output of one command as input to another command. Input to another command. So that case we are using this one. That case we are using this one. Now there is a wc command. Same whatever you want, more command you don't know, right? We'll see. Only if you want to print hyphen l also we can pass. See here. Now one more. Here I am getting right. Again I am using pipe symbol wc hyphen l. I don't want all. I want only lines. Now there is one more command, tree command. I think it won't work. Let me try it, whether it will work or not. Tree. We need to install m install tree. So before, if I some commands if not working means we have to install that command. So m is the command. If you want to install any package in Linux, so m install and package name. M install package name. If it is not working, we have to install that command. Okay, let me try it. Now tree. Now see here, it is giving like structure. It is giving like structure. Tree means, right? Main branch, sub branches, same pattern here. These are the commands, right? These are the files. Let me create directory. mkdir, mkdir, devs. Okay. Let me create some directories. Mkdir -p path. Okay. I am using uh, test slash test test1 slash test2. Now I'm giving directory structure. Now I'm using tree. See here, what is the directory structure? Directly we can see visual path. See, these are the main directory. These are the main directory. Under test1 is the subdirectory. I want tree structure, and this is the subdirectory. Let me create one file. See here, ls cd space test, and so ls. Here I am going to create a touch space. I am going to create I'm going to create test some files at f. I'm giving a few files. Understand? One d.5 and .txt text files I created. Now come outside. Now I want to see entire structure how it will work. Tree. See here, right, a tree. So this is the test one directory. Under we have so 5 files, and also one directory also is there, subdirectory. Under this subdirectory we have one more subdirectory. Let me create one more file here, whether it will display or not. See here, cd space test, and so test one, right? Test one. Now come to here, ls. I only test two, right? T. I'm giving three files. I'm creating three files. I'm creating doc file something. Now come outside. Now let me use tree command. So somewhere if you have many files, we don't know, right, which file, which directory. I want to see tree structure. I want to see tree structure. So that case we need to use tree. Tree means these are the files. This is the one directory. In this directory nothing is there. And test is the main directory. Under we have this many files and also one subdirectory. Under this subdirectory we have three files. There is one more subdirectory. So like this, if you want to see, we can go for tree command. See, the output of the ls command should be saved output file. You should provide as the input to ws command. This is the t, right? Not tree. Actually, I explained tree command. This is the t, not tree command. I am explaining a tree command. Somewhere also is there. Let me tree command. So this command I am explaining. Where is that ps tree like structure, directory structure, binding, building a dependency tree. Actually, this is the tree command, not the t. This is also one command. If you want to see, we can search Google tree command in Linux. Tree command in Linux. Just if we hit, this is also one command. Tree is also. See here. So as well, ms das also we can see. So if you want to first, if you don't have tree command, first we need to install the tree command. First we need to install the tree command. By default, tree command is not installed. And if you want to, we can install the tree command. What is the command? So this is the m install tree command. M install tree. And if you use a tree command, it will display tree structure. It will display. If you want to display the directory structure using the simple tree command without adding any option, so that case we can use a tree command. But in this document, this is the what command they are using, not z, control z, wc, right, word count. Okay, so under word count, where is which command? Find. After find start.
Start.
Where which command? Find iniqueness. This is done. And input greater than equal to output direction. And we are using, what is this? Piping, right? Sorry, we are using piping. So under piping, what is this command? T, T, not tree. I thought tree. This is the different command. Tree. See, the output of the ls command should be saved output.txt and should be provided as input to wcs command. So this is t, not tree. Tree is different command. As of now, I explained, right, this command. This is the tree command. This is the tree command. This is the only TE command. So what is the purpose of this command? So now try, this is also very simple. Try to understand. Now cat space, so b.txt, right? Or for example, ls command I am using. So ls means it is printing all files and directories, right? It will display all files and directories. So what you need to do, the output of the ls command should be saved into the somewhere. Now here I am giving, see here, ls-l long format. This data I want to save one file. I want to save another file. So how to save it? So we need to use this is the this is the syntax. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. So that case we need to use a command. Now see here, I am saving ABC and it will save into the ABC command, but it won't display any terminal. Now we need to use ls-l t space ABC, t space ABC dot txt. So what it will do? Now same command. If you use like this command won't work because we are using a redirection command. We are using redirection, right? And also piping. It will break piping of the concept. So that case what we need to do? So if you want to save the output of the command file, if you want to pass this output as input next command simultaneously, then we should go for te command. So te command. So here we are using here we are using which one? Direction, right? Here we are using direction command. Generally we are using this command. So already we write sort start b dot a dot txt, and we are using piping, and we are using so directly we are using whatever you want. In eq we are using hyphen c hyphen whatever you want we can give it, right? This is the one way. Now what I am doing here, ls hyphen l command. Here we are getting some output. First I am saving this data. I am saving this data to one file. How we are saving? See here, ls hyphen. So same syntax. They are following one greater than. Here I am using some file name. Now see here out.txt. Now observe here ls. So here one file is created. One file is created. So in this file, what data we can see? Anyone guess it? I created one file. I created one file. So this entire data, whatever data we are getting here, this entire output I save into out.txt. Now check it. Cat space out.txt. Now see here. Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt here? So ls hyphen l means I hope everyone know. It will display all files and directories. Here we are getting some output. This entire output I saved into one file, out.txt file. Out.txt file. So now in this file we can see this data. Now what they are doing, and again they are getting some count list also. Now see here. Now same command I am using. Same command. See here. I am using 1.txt pipe symbol. I want to count the count. See here 0 0 0 only we are getting. Now it won't work. So actually this is the pipe. Here problem is here we are using redirection command. So that is the reason it won't work, this command. To overcome this problem, now we need to use so this is the command. This is the command. See here. So t space that file name. So now what I need to do? ls hyphen l and pipe. What is this pipe symbol? Which command I given, guys? So I am saving here. Sorry, first we need to save, right? Greater than. Here I am giving c.txt. Whatever name you can give it, c.txt. So here we are getting some output. This output I am saving into c.txt. అర్థమవుతుందా కార్తీక్? Uday, this is
Yes,
the
sir.
first command. If you run this command, we are getting some output. This output we are saving to the c.txt. See here. I hope everyone know. Clear the screen. Cat space c.txt. Entire data available here. Now I am using C ls. They are using what command they are using? Now observe here. ls hyphen l. Next pipe symbol. See this abc.txt. It will save into abc, but it won't display the terminal. I want to display in terminal also. I want to display in terminal also. So that case same we are using this command like this also. ls-l, ls-l, pipe symbol. Now I'm using te, not tree. Okay, c.txt. Now see here, if you want to print, so we can use like this. If you want to output automatically, I want to print here, or we can change it. Now got it? Anyone any doubt here? So here that key is there. Here we are using actually pipe, that is redirection, right? Because of redirection, it won't work. Generally here we are using, where is that one? Redirection. Mm, where is add we are using, right? Tree command. See, the output of the ls command should save into the output file and should provide as the input to ws command. Here we are using redirection. Redirection means it won't work directly. So suppose if you are not using redirection, the pipe symbol will work. Now to overcome this problem, we have to save the output of the command one file. And so if you want to pass this output to input next command simultaneously, then we should go for te command. Then we should go for te command. Then we should go for te command. But mostly no one is asking, just for your understanding purpose. Try it. Now these all are the arguments. If you want to pass arguments, and so how to pass arguments and all, we can check it. So multiple command line, single line. Okay. So next class we'll see how to pass it. Okay. So these are the mostly which commands we discussed today. Tree command, te command, start command, iniq command. Next, greater than redirections. Greater than command. Clear? So anyone any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So just try practice it. This is very simple only. If you try 15 minutes, that's it. Nothing.